For
Sanket.
Gujarat,
Yes.
131 for the BJP, 41 for the Congress party, Aam Aadmi party 7, which clearly means that the BJP is winning big in Gujarat.
It's a sweep.
It's a sweep, but it'll be very interesting to see what the vote share is going to be.
Okay.
Is this a win on a slender margin?
Okay, so that's the
Right.
big picture coming out from
Yeah.
Gujarat. In Himachal, though,
Himachal, the BJP, the poll of poll says that the gap is now widening. It was neck and neck earlier. Now of 68, 37 to the BJP, 28 to the Congress, 0 for the Aam Aadmi party, 3 for others. And the very interesting, as I said, the most interesting of the contest, Vasu, is the MCD election, where the Aam Aadmi
if
party...
it's the most interesting, but
Most
yeah, it's certainly interesting that it's coming out in the form of an exit poll.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
we're doing
exactly.
exit polls now on MCD election.
I
but
actually
anyway,
do not know of any other municipal election having an exit poll of its own. I mean, BMC maybe being the exception.
but again, maybe it will be more local channels. But
yeah,
national
155 for the Aam Aadmi party in a 250 member house, 7 for the Congress, and 84. The incumbents, the Bharatiya Janata Party, reduced to 84 in the MCD. So
okay,
that's
so
the
the big picture for tonight, for people tuning in, Sanket, is that the BJP has managed to now win record. This is now their record in Gujarat, that they've managed to win 4 terms on the trot since 1995.
Okay, Vasu, I
the
really-
BJP has been. Let me just summarize. No, come back to it in a second. So BJP has swept Gujarat 4 terms on the trot, and Himachal, a state where typically there is a changing of guard in every election, they managed to have they may have managed to have broken that trend as well.
Vasu,
That's the big picture.
Himachal Access My India exit poll is now out.
Okay.
The BJP 24 to 34.
Ah.
Neck and neck.
Okay.
The Congress 30 to 40.
Okay.
Completely in Himachal Pradesh. So Access My India has turned this around in favor of the Congress party. 30 to 40 for the Congress in Himachal, 0 for the Aam Aadmi party. This is actually an outlier of an exit poll.
But this is a
Because
sort of this range, though it's 10-seat difference. It's playing it a bit safe, though.
30 to 40.
Yeah.
Because
but
look at the outer. The Congress is 30 to 40, BJP 24 to 34. So BJP could still be single largest.
In a house where 35 is the majority mark.
Yeah.
The BJP, according to this poll, their outer limit is 1 short of that majority mark.
Right,
and
so they're
they
losing,
give that
according
advantage to the Congress party. The reason why I say that it's an outlier, because this is the only exit poll which is giving this to the Congress. No other exit poll.
No, it's not giving it to the Congress, Sanket.
No, 30 to 40.
Yeah.
That's the highest.
But at the lower end of the range,
Correct.
Sanket.
So neck and neck.
I mean, it could